Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2017 67 Reg F33 335D M Sport. This vehicle is presented in the fantastic Melbourne red, features a full YNC body enhancement package alongside some very nice BMW options, with further added to the enhancements with the brand new 20-inch CS style alloy wheels in high gloss black. At the front of the car you can see it comes with the LED headlights on this vehicle. Down the side we've got the satin side vinyls, then the gloss black sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals, and also the aero gloss black mirror caps. Sun protection glazing on the rear windows. Inside, one of my personal favourite leather variants, it's got the black Dakota leather with M highlights, so you get blue stitching running throughout, and then the tricolour M highlights as you can see. 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. The front seats are heated and also have got the electric lumbar option as well. In terms of the drive line for this car, of course being a 335D, we've got the very sophisticated X-Drive 4-wheel drive system. In the back there's a 3-seat ISOFIX rear bench, central folding armrest, and that's all been kept in really nice condition on this car. It's a very clean and tidy 335D, this one, and that Melbourne red really does stand out, especially with those in-house enhancements. So the boot space on the F33, if you've not yet seen one, you do get a very large boot space. Once again, that's a very nice and tidy area. At the driver's side, this is a really nice angle to get all of those enhancements in the shot, as you can see. And those 20-inch alloys really do help this car stand out as well. Inside, we do have our multi-function M Sport steering wheel, which comes with all of the following. So you've got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. The vehicle itself is covered just over 29,000 miles. There's the professional wide navigation and media screen, as you can see there. If we start the car up, we'll show you some basic features, which includes the really nice and easy to use Satnav system. There is also Bluetooth telephone and the audio function, DAB radio, and then the AUX music collection, USB line in, as well as Bluetooth audio as we've mentioned. Down here is dual climate controls along with switches for the front heated seats, as you can see there. Now if we go into the vehicle service status screen, beginning with the fact that you can see everything's highlighted in green. The next service isn't due for 17,000 miles, and up at service history, if we go down to the bottom as we already are, you can see that this vehicle has been extremely well cared for. As you can see on screen now, all of the services have been carried out at BMW, most recently at 28466. So not only a very nicely spec'd vehicle, very well looked after and extremely nice looking, and of course with that very powerful twin turbo engine at the front, extremely powerful as well. So thank you for taking the time to watch our walk around. I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. For further information, see the description box down below, and we shall hopefully get to see yourselves soon. Do of course take care guys. Thanks again. Bye bye.